So we just got back from our 1-week trip to Los Angeles, California, and this is everything that we sold on eBay while we were away. eBay has something called time away mode, which allows you to go on vacation or take a business trip and your items can still sell. It just tells your customers that their items won't be shipped until you get back. In our experience, sales are a lot slower when your store is on time away mode, but to be able to sell all these items while we were away, not working on our eBay business, that's awesome. So we stopped shipping out items on eBay on September 25th, which was the Saturday before we left. So from the 25th to October 4th, which is today, we've had $1,081.94 in sales, which you can see is 66% lower than normal, and that's because we were on time away mode. $67.93 was taxes collected by eBay, $398.52 was eBay fees and shipping costs, which gave us a net sales amount of $615.49, which again is about 68, almost 70% lower than normal. We sold a total of 39 things while we were away, average sales price of $27.74 per item. We also have to factor in our cost of goods sold, so here is a list of everything we sold while in Los Angeles, and everything was pretty cheap in terms of what we actually paid for it. I think the most expensive thing we sold was this pair of boots right here, which we paid about $10 for. So I would say in total, for all 38 items that we sold, we spent about $100 in cost of goods sold. So our net sales of $615, take another $100 off of that, and it should leave us with about $515 in profit, taxable income from sales that we sold while we were away. So today we got to take all these packages to the post office, maybe stop at a couple thrift stores, trying to get this reselling business back on track. If this is the first time you guys are watching our channel, this is my beautiful wife, Haley. She is the brains and the beauty and the brawn behind our operation, and all I do is film stuff. We stopped at this Goodwill on the way to the post office. This is one of our favorite local Goodwills to come to. We found a ton of valuable items here in the past. Let's see if we can find some more today. Let's see. Check out the shoes first. Little kids Air Max. These are pretty cool. These are going to be $4.50. I'll grab these. Anytime you find Nikes, you can look up the little style code on the tag. This one says CZ9442-100. So we searched that on eBay. We can see that there are currently 7 listed. So we'll go to filter and we'll choose sold, somewhere down here, sold items. And we can see that there are 5 sold, pre-owned right there, the exact ones we have, for $39 plus $9 in shipping. Another one for $38 plus shipping. So paying $4.50 for these, spend a couple minutes cleaning them up, should be a nice little profit. What'd you find? Oh, some nice Brooks Ghost 9. Adult shoes are going to be $6.50, and we've sold enough of these that we don't really have to look these up anymore. As long as they're in good condition, these Brooks Ghost 9 are going to sell for about $35 to $40 plus shipping. I found this pair of women's Tommy Hilfiger booties, which are normally a pretty good buy. These are going to be $8.50, but they're a women's size 4, which is extremely small. I would typically say that, like, with women's shoe sizes, we don't really go for anything smaller than a 6, because anything smaller than a women's 6 is going to take a while to sell. Same with men's. We'll generally stay between men's 8 and a men's 15. Outside of that size range is going to take a long time to sell. Haley just found this North Face beanie.
Looks a little, maybe a little stretched, but
most people like fold them up and stuff. I think that'd be, and this is only going to be like 50 cents. I think either 50 cents or $1. I don't remember how much hats are, but North Face is always a solid brand. This Black & Decker Space Maker CO85 can opener. It's taped shut, so we're going to open it and make sure it's actually in there, but this could be a pretty good item. Unit looks in good shape. We have all the spacers and mounting brackets in there like that. Again, this unit is the model CO85. Let's check it out. So we searched Black & Decker Space Maker CO85, and we got one open box for $74.99. These are just listed. You see there are 21 currently listed, so let's go to filter. Same thing we did before. Type in sold items, and there are 21 sold. Just the mounting hardware sold for $17.99. There's an open box 71, open box 46 on auction, brand new 115. So let's go to sort. No, let's go to filter. Condition used. There's been 4 used ones that have sold. 56, 35, 44, 75. And this is only $4.94. See something else over here that I know is worth some good money. We got a Ninja Turtle stuffed plush animal, and it is from Build-A-Bear. All Build-A-Bears will have this logo on them on one of the paws, and also have it written on the tag, Build-A-Bear Workshop. I looked this up on eBay just to make sure I knew what I was talking about, and there are currently 40 listed. So let's go to filter, sold items, and there are only 2 that have sold. This one sold for $10.11 free shipping, and this one sold best offer, 15 bucks free shipping. So I actually don't think this is going to be a very good item. Even at 50 cents, I mean, there's 40 just like it listed on eBay, and the demand is obviously not there because there's only 2 that have sold in the last 90 days. So I think I'm going to pass on this. I've talked about in the past how this stuff could be worth a lot, but you want to make sure it's a rare one, and this one doesn't seem very rare. On this really cool reversible sweatshirt, it has a Gamecocks logo inside. That's the football team here at the University of South Carolina, where I'm from. On the outside, it's like the little, you know, sweatshirt material. On the back, it has University of South Carolina. That's really, really cool. One little stain right there, but nothing too crazy. I think given the fact that it's reversible, the zipper works. You know, we test that out on all the jackets. I can't tell you how many jackets we bought that look good and then the zipper doesn't work. Generally, when something is reversible, the tag for it is going to be in the pocket. This is MV Sport extra, extra large. Made in Jamaica, so unfortunately not made in USA, but this is only going to be $5.75, and I think it will be worth it. We could probably sell this locally for about 25 to 30 bucks, I would think. What did you find?
Okay. I found this cool USA pullover.
Oh, that's neat.
Made in USA.
Made in USA.
Olympic Committee.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. That'll be probably $5.75. I think that'd be kind of cool.
And then I found a Master's jacket.
Oh, that's nice. Master, and it's the ladies, size large. That was nice. Master, if you guys don't know Masters, it looks like that. That's the logo. It's the professional golf tournament they play in Augusta, Georgia every year. Zipper works. No stains on the inside. Looks solid. This will probably be $5.75, and I imagine we could probably get maybe about 40 to 50 bucks for this.
There's a pool right there, but it should be okay.
It's not a major issue. Nice find. What else?
I just found some. I usually just pick up things that have new tag on them, even if I don't really know the brand, but I don't know, they're
really
kind
fun.
of funky pants.
Yeah.
The brand is Cali 1850 Los Angeles, which I'm sure is just kind of like a cheapy brand from TJ Maxx.
Stuff like this, though, people generally
it sells
buy
really well.
Yeah, people generally buy stuff like this just because it looks fun. They don't really care about the brand.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. And these will only be, I think, $4, $3.75 or $4.75 something. So I'm not paying very much, not risking very much to see if these can sell for maybe 25 bucks or so. I just found 2 more stuffed plush animals. These are kind of interesting. One is a Stitch from the movie Lilo and Stitch Disney. He's kind of cool. He's got a weird teeth looking in there. This is gonna be 50 cents. It's a Disney plush, which is a good brand. I imagine this probably sells pretty often, and I think we'll have a pretty good shot at moving that for a little bit of profit. So we'll pay 50 cents for that. If it doesn't sell, we can always give it to our dog to play with. I also picked up this little Winnie the Pooh. It's new with tags. I don't know what year it's from. Original price was $9.99, but it's gunned, which I think is a pretty good brand of stuffed animals. So we'll go ahead and pick this up. This will be 50 cents as well. Maybe sell it for, I don't know, 10 bucks free shipping. It'll cost about $3.50 to ship, so we can still make about $4 or $5 in profit, which spending 50 cents to make $5 is always a solid move. Haley just found this really cool NRA jacket. Was it National Rifle Association? It's a size extra large, great condition. It's got these inside pockets for concealed carry weapons. Really, really nice. A little bit of like hair or something on the inside, but we'll throw it in the washing machine and see if we can get it. I mean, very like neutral gray, stuff like that should sell really quickly. This will be, I don't know, like jackets are $5.75 and coats are $8.75. So it really depends on what the cashier thinks, but we'll probably be able to talk her into bringing this up for $5.75. How are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
I am better than I deserve.
This is a Valentine from the buggy.
Yeah, your secret.
To Tommy Boy.
Your secret admirer. Wonder who Tommy Boy is. Wonder who the secret admirer is. That's what Tommy's thinking. Are you guys not using bags anymore, or are you just out right now? Just out, okay. I'll bring our own next time then.
$45.69.
$45.69 sounds fair to me.
You guys haven't bought any Gaylords lately, or nobody's in
If y'all sell me some more, I'll buy some more. No, this is the only Goodwill I've ever seen that doesn't. Occasionally the outlet center will sell like glassware. I'm like, the last thing I need is a whole pallet full of glass. Y'all should start selling the pallets again, for sure. I'll buy them. I'll tell my viewers on YouTube to buy them. People, that's a great way to get rid of inventory.
The thing I can tell you is, call and talk to, maybe somebody from corporate, because she ain't gonna
I'm sure y'all got
a
a ton of stuff back there.
Man, there's so much. They should do that.
Yeah.
But
people will buy it. That one day y'all had like the half off sale. They had like 35 pallets out here and they were all sold within like 5 minutes.
What do I know? We're just employees.
That's right. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. You too. Oh, you did? Oh. I told everybody that you were the brawn behind the operation, and now you're proving it. Leave me with 3 of the smallest things. All right, now she's just showing off, folks. If you guys don't know what we were talking about in Goodwill there, when we were mentioning the pallets, last year after like COVID first happened, all the Goodwills in our area started selling pallets of items because everybody was just stuck at home, like just cleaning out their closet and donating stuff to Goodwill. And they just had a bunch of stuff. So they were like, we're gonna put it in these sealed pallets, sell it for 50 bucks. Whatever you get, no returns or anything like that. I got dog hair or something just coming in my mouth. So I came to this Goodwill first and we bought 3 pallets total, made a video about it. That video did really well for the channel, and overall I think we ended up buying 28 of these sealed mystery pallets from all these local Goodwills in our area. It was awesome for the channel. I cannot tell you how many emails we get on a weekly basis of people asking me where they can buy pallets like that. So that's what I was telling her, like, if you start making these pallets again to clear out inventory, I promise they will sell to either me or to somebody else, because
it was a lot of work.
It was a lot of work. It was fun, but it's kind of like buying storage lockers. Like, there's a little mystery involved, but then if there's nothing in there, you still have all this junk to get rid of. So a lot of work, but it was good for the channel. All right, now we are at the post office, dropping off all the stuff we had sold, since we've been on vacation. When we got to the post office today, it was insanely loud in here. They were rolling in these big empty metal carts from outside, and it was just way too loud for you guys. So I want to take this chance to do a little voiceover and tell you how important it is to actually get your packages scanned in at the post office. If you just drop them off without getting them scanned in, or even if you use the self-service kiosk, that does not count as an official USPS scan. So if your package goes missing further on down the line, you are going to be held responsible for that unless you have proof that your package was scanned in by a USPS employee with a receipt. So we just got home from the post office, and I just posted our first YouTube short on the YouTube channel. If you guys don't know, YouTube shorts is kind of like TikTok or Instagram Reels for YouTube. It's almost like a different video platform entirely, and I'm not 100% sure how it works, but I took the plunge. A couple of people we met at the VidSummit YouTube conference were saying how important it was to get into YouTube shorts if you want to grow your channel. In terms of like making money on YouTube, you should post regular YouTube videos, but making short videos is a really good way to branch out to an audience that isn't already familiar with you and kind of draw their attention into your channel. So that being the goal of shorts, like getting people's attention, your titles and the content of those types of videos has to be kind of clickbaity. I think there's a difference between clickbait and like making a compelling title that gets people's attention and then gives them exactly what they came for. So the title was how much YouTube paid us for 200,000 views on one video that we posted about a week and a half or 2 weeks ago. So of course, when we posted the video, we got, most people were super supportive. They're like, oh, congrats, it's awesome. And then a couple people were like, oh, please don't change Hairytornado. We love that you're an honest and kind person. Hey guys, I'm telling you, I'm still honest, I'm still kind. This is just transparency, showing you guys, a part of the YouTube. We don't want to share all of our YouTube income and like the intricate details, but this was just one video, and I thought it would give you guys a cool little sneak peek into the YouTube side of the business. But check out that short video if you haven't already, and hit the like button to counteract, I don't know, we just posted it like 15 minutes ago and it already has like 30 dislikes, but it has like 300 or 400 likes. So it's still overwhelmingly positive, but anytime you post a video like that talking about success of any kind, you're going to get people that kind of hate on that. So fully expected, but I'm curious to see how this YouTube short performs over the next couple days or weeks. It's so funny. It's actually 1 of 10. If you guys don't know, when you post a video to YouTube, YouTube will automatically compare it to the last 10 uploads and rank it in terms of how many views it's received in the certain time frame. So in the first 36 minutes of the last 10 videos we posted, the short we just posted, which is a 14-second video, is 1 of 10. It's had 4.5 thousand views in the first 36 minutes. So I'm curious to see if this one takes off. Apparently, if you post a short on your channel and YouTube likes it and sees that people are engaging with it, whether it be hate comments or positive comments, likes or dislikes, they will keep pushing it out to other people. So if I did it correctly, I should be able to wake up in the morning and have like double the amount of subscribers we have now. But well, who knows? Again, we'll just have to wait and see. Something else we want to get into on YouTube is being more generous and doing more giveaways for you guys to show our appreciation, because if it wasn't for you guys watching our videos, we wouldn't be YouTubers. So the this Black & Decker Space Maker can opener we found today. I'm going to get it tested, make sure it works. As long as it works, we will give this away to somebody in this video. It should be able to sell pretty easily on eBay for about 40 to 50 bucks or so plus shipping. If you guys are like new eBay sellers that are struggling to move your items, this is a great item to sell on eBay because you don't need a lot of feedback. You don't need a fancy store or anything like that. As long as this is priced appropriately, it will sell really quickly for you guys. So we're going to be giving this away to somebody within the first 30 minutes of uploading this video. We're going to go through the comments and pick a random winner to give it away. So and I think that's how we're going to do our giveaways throughout the remaining of the channel. It'll be like somebody who comments on the video within the first 30 minutes of upload. So be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss these future giveaways. But somebody that watches this video in the next 30 minutes is going to win this Black & Decker Space Maker can opener. Hey Mose, yeah, what you doing? You want to go outside? Yeah, let's go outside. Go get him. I was just reading some of the comments on today's video, and I want to give a shout out to Miss Janetta Irvin. I think that's how you pronounce her names right there, Janetta Irvin. She found our channel, I don't know, maybe like 6 months ago, 6 or 7 months ago, and every single video we upload, she comments on and just says, hello, Josh and Haley. She has to be the sweetest lady in the world. That's like my favorite comment. I know every single time we upload a video, no matter what it is, there's going to be Miss Janetta commenting, hello, Josh and Haley. I always give her a heart. Thank you so much, Miss Janetta. I know you're watching this. Hello to you as well. Does anyone have any tips on how to control these rose bushes? When we moved in, we didn't really like them, and so we just like chopped them down to the ground, and that just, I guess, made them mad, and they just keep growing. I mean, we trim these things like every couple months. Like you can see there's a pretty fresh trim right there, and they just keep growing onto the porch. And I don't know, like we never water them. We talk mean to them, and you can see they just are thriving over here. Let me know how we can make this look better, I guess. So I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Haley's out in the living room getting some stuff listed on eBay, and I've got to do some stuff here in the office as well. But thank you guys as always for watching our channel, watching this video today. If you enjoyed it at all, take a couple seconds and hit that like button for us down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.